Trap Red Part 4 Victory. Victory Suite. Read Windows XP Professional Setup. Please wait while setup formats the partition. C. Partition. It's formatting it right now. So, victory. Finally got this puppy working. What I went through hell, man. I had this thing apart 3-4 different times, you know. I forgot to plug in the keyboard one time. I forgot to plug in the connector. Well, the connector for this got moved, so I had to disconnect the connectors for the mouse pad and the little buttons, and then reconnect it. And while I was doing all that stuff, you know, I had a black screen, no display. So I took the connectors for the display out. I took all the boards out and looked and double-checked everything, and I found this one grounding problem I had on a heatsink where I'd used the wrong screws and they weren't connecting right. So I took all that apart and got the screws all in the right spot and popped the RAM out. The system RAM, the RAM that's hidden underneath the keyboard. I popped the RAM out and reseated it with a different RAM, tried it, got it to fire up, then I took the old RAM out, took the new RAM out, put the old RAM card back in, and apparently it was dirt. Anyways, it's running now. Look, awesome. So I'm reinstalling Windows XP Professional on this 60 gigabyte hard drive I bought from China for, what was $8. Good deal, huh? $8, brand new, can't go wrong. Yeah, $5 shipping. So here's a little operator manual. These aren't worth a damn. And here's the service pack, which also isn't worth a damn in my opinion, but whatever. And let's see, go into the darkness here for a minute and retrieve some books. See, I just happened to, XP is a lot like Windows 7, so but it's supposed to be better. I don't know about that. All I know is to access the command line monitor, you gotta go through rigmarole to get to it and make the thing bomb out and fail. Anyways, I got a step-by-step Windows 7 book I'm gonna go through. I've got electronic design with off-the-shelf integrated circuit. This is older than dirt, and the binding's falling apart. It's all theoretical stuff. Musical application microprocessor. You get this. I posted this. It's an ebook online, free now. Back when I got it, it was what? This book cost like $30 or something, $24.95. What a masterpiece this is. It's a good book, but it's got a lot of gaps in it. If you read it, there's a lot left to the imagination. Handbook for electronic engineering technicians. This is a good book too. It's old, but it's good, and it's got all the basic electronic theory in it. I would call it Electronics 101. So anyways, this is Electronics 101 right here, doing this computer stuff. So I just wanted to touch base. This is part 4, I guess, of the HP Pavilion Repair. This one had a black screen, fixed. Fixed by removing all the boards, cleaning up everything with alcohol, reseating the connectors, and reseating the RAM. Dirty connections, oxidized connections, who knows. Anyways, it's, as you can see, it's running. I almost was ready to give it up and junk it. It's missing 3 keys on the keyboard right here, but the actual keys still work. With you press those letters with your finger, they'll work. So it's all good. It's just a junky computer, and I'm gonna use it to like burn flash memory, you know, and do other stuff, you know. Just gonna use it as a kind of workhorse computer. I have an identical one, but it has no audio right now, and I think that's because of this right here. I think this is doing a silent install, and it also messed with my system clock, and it's supposed to have, you're supposed to have 30 days to activate it, and it set my clock and said you can't log on unless you activate, but I can't activate because I have no wireless network to activate anything with, and I have all the keys and everything to do it, but I have the network key for the wireless WAN and the password and all that stuff. I don't want to show you guys, but anyways, and then this stuff, the keys to the windows, but yeah, anyway, Windows, what a hassle, man. Makes me want